This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Prime Minister Ayodele tún ti mú àwọn ìran tó lágbára wá o fún President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Wọ́n ní ohun ìkìlọ̀ lélẹ́yìí o pé insecurity tó ń yẹ ní ìlú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ nílùú Ọ̀yọ́ yẹn àwọn ti wọ́n wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ ní ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ pé ilé ìmọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ l'Ondo ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní a lot of south west places ló ti máa ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n lè léyìí tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí kó máa lágbára gan. Wọ́n ní kò dẹ̀ sí bí Tinubu ṣe máa wí ní ìjọba APC láì má sí àwọn Ìgbò níbẹ̀ tó bá yẹ pé ẹ fẹ́ máa wí ní ìjọba tó ní segregation nú tí a máa yà wọn kọ sọ́tọ̀ pé eléyìí kò ń ṣe Yorùbá eléyìí kò ń ṣe gbá eléyìí kò ń ṣàwo. Wọ́n ní bàbá yóò lè win o ẹ wò ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé nǹkan ẹ jájọ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ prophecy lẹ́nu Prime Minister Ayodele wọ́n dẹ̀ tún mú àwọn ìran oríṣiríṣi tó lágbára fún oríṣiríṣi ìlú kákàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé náà ẹ jájọ gbọ́ lẹ́nu Prime Minister Ayodele.
Election of ethnicity is election of religion. There's problem. But the government knows there is problem. Security agencies know there is problem, but they are hiding the problem. When the problem explodes, we won't be able to capture it or stop it. Insecurity is not the problem yet. We Nigerians, we are the problems of Nigeria. Do you understand? Insecurity is secondary. The main thing, we have not addressed it. Believe me, no intimidation will stop anybody not to vote whoever he wants to vote for. However, I have said it before that there's kidnapper. I have one of your state kidnapper in Oyo. Kidnapper in Oyo, Osun, Ondo, Ekiti, Pasha, Lagos. Do you understand? They will start operation soonest. Our security agencies, they don't understand the divinity of God in security. That's why people is going to get angry with service chiefs and change them. You see, the time I wanted the Ribadu, this was Baba war. Right? When they create homeland security now from the Badu's office or whatever, it's not a good sign. Meaning that Nigerian security is under threat, which they must watch and adjust. It's just a simple formula. Nothing is working at the moment, but we don't know. Well, we are talking about City Boy. Tinubu City Boy will not give you victory, but you may not understand. They only use it for how am I going to put it? So celebrity campaign, big boys campaign, money for money campaign. That is what the City Boy stands for. Then don't tell me that they will not spend money in election. EFCC, you will arrest people tire. No vote, no money, no vote to Nigeria. Oh God. If you don't give me money, I don't go vote. EFC, National Assembly, right? Laws. You yourself, you know that the law will not work. The law that you did, anybody vote buying, they will sentence you. Sentence the politician first. Right? Sentence them first. Send them to prison. Vote buying has come to stay in Nigeria. That is the honest truth. If you want to do that, first of all, before they do election, arrest the politicians that are involved. South Sudanese president will change Minister of Defense or Chief of Defense. Will change it. You see, they are going to invade church in Southwest, kidnap pastors. That's why you know that security is worst. But it's a challenge to Yorubas. Fulani have taken over Southwest. Let's come out with reality. They have taken over. Now by the time they started doing the worst, that is when we will wake up. We can't wake up yet, because they have not touched Omolowo and when they touch you. Building collapse in Abuja again, in Ibadan, in Lagos. Tanzania president will come out with economic law, economic reform. That reform is good, but people will threaten it. They will threaten it. Not now, but later. Twitter's name will change. Twitter. To be changed. Maybe it has been changed, but it will still be changed. Those that were not happy for this primaries they did, you compensate them. They stay in your party, they will destroy the party. Because there's no amount of persuasion you will give them that they will be happy. America, don't attack Iran, no. It's just a piece of advice. Settle matter amicably. Global hardship is imminent, oh. Global hardship. Hardship that in the next few weeks now, you see petrol will just jump, bam. Surge that will shake us. Then everything now will be Tinubu. And Nigeria is not prepared for this. So why can't we come down, take things easy? Food will be very hard to eat too. Food. Let us beg Trump. Let him take it easy. This matter is getting too long. Do you understand? That's why I said don't attack Iran. Let's take things settled. Let's settle things amicably. If you go beyond this, there will be global protest too. Leadership of JAMB will change. Bracelets, UK, their economy is shaking like this, ready to collapse. They will still go back. Bracelet will be out of sight in UK. There will be no more bracelet. Sierra Leonean government, work quickly on your health facilities because of Ebola. Slight of coronavirus. I warned Uganda about this Ebola. Sierra Leone. However, Sierra Leone economy, the president wanted to take a very bold step on that economy. But some people say, no. There are people who need to change in your cabinet quickly before it's too late. It's a warning. If Tinubu 8 is not a Tinubu, forget, either they are going to rig or they are not going to rig. If there's an election through free and fair election today, no, it won't be easy. It won't be straight victory like that. It won't. Nigeria is angry, and the north, there's nothing you can do now. They don't like you in the north, Tinubu. They don't. And what I'm saying is, there are a lot of documents that the international community will use to fight you. If Tinubu lose all these service chiefs, all of you will go. And a lot of you, they are ready to even jail you. Meanwhile, this country spoiled since Buhari's time. The Kabas in Buhari's government, if the government did not fight them, the Kabas will fight them back later. Don't tell me that APC win all through. APC, ADC, NDC, except you hold them to ransom, you break them. Except that. If America strike Iran, Iran is ready to destroy more of American facilities. Honestly, the war will now take another dimension. But Iran have been betrayed. Yes, Iran have been betrayed. But not likewise, people that you believe that will work for you in this election, they will betray you. But you will not see it, sir. You will not see it until the day of the election when he started losing small. That's when we wake up. Before you wake up, Otilo. You should not just rely on anybody. It needs to change so many things. So many things. Gambia president must be careful because the trainers are around him. Now they want to forsake his strategy to enemies, Gambia president. And Gambia should watch against killing, shooting. Another attack is still coming to America. Another terrorist attack. Even in America, Christian will also be attacked in America. Likewise, UK should also get prepared for also minor terrorists. Fulani may cause a term in Abuja. Fulani. Tinubu is going to get angry with all security agencies. He's going to get angry because the more he's getting more threats from the Western world, the more he will get angry with security agencies in Nigeria. No one will be left out. As a matter of fact, there's a confusion. Minister of Finance in Nigeria will really open up. There are a lot of things to be attended to in terms of economy, and there are things to change, there are things to watch about the economy. The economy needs extra work. Eventually, they will bury your political future through this alignment that you are. She is going to introduce Seyi Makinde will introduce a strategy to give his candidate victory. But she needs to be focused. That presidency, drop it. Face the governorship ambition of your state. If you take the two together, you will lose votes. Like if NDC don't bring a good candidate, then NDC can take over your state. If it's Sharafa Ade, but Seyi Makinde's candidate, NDC candidate, can make a tough time for APC if only they do the needful. Progressive governor, there's going to be crisis amongst you because of disunity. Not all the governors are in support of Tinubu's second term. That's the message of the Lord. Zimbabwe president, be careful so that your plane will not land emergency landing and be worried about the situation of your country, because bringing the white farmers into your country again will jeopardize the growth of your country. That idea you want to introduce can fail you because you want to be life president, and this can boomerang. Nigerian Ministry of Health, watch, because I see bacteria, water bacteria. Bacteria, water bacteria, be water. I say in water, and it's going to come from the north to the southwest. Tanwiji is coming inside water. Water bacteria.